Navigating the complexities of sales commission and incentive programs can be a real headache for businesses of all sizes. Before implementing a dedicated solution, companies often struggle with a lack of transparency, making it difficult for sales reps to accurately track their expected earnings and understand how their performance translates into pay. This often leads to distrust and frustration within the sales team, diverting their focus from selling to calculating. Another major challenge is the sheer manual effort required to manage commissions. Using spreadsheets or outdated, disparate systems is time-consuming and highly prone to error. This administrative burden ties up finance and operations staff for days or weeks each month, delaying payouts and creating inconsistencies that require time-consuming reconciliation. As a business grows and its compensation plans become more complex, this manual process quickly becomes unsustainable, hindering scalability. Spiff directly addresses these issues by providing a dynamic, real-time commission calculation platform. It automates the entire process, eliminating manual errors and drastically cutting down the time spent on commission administration. Finance teams can easily model complex compensation structures and ensure every payout is accurate and timely. This automation frees up valuable staff time to focus on strategic financial analysis rather than manual data entry and error correction. Furthermore, Spiff dramatically improves transparency. Sales reps get instant, clear visibility into their current performance and how it impacts their commission earnings. The Spiff flow allows them to see exactly how every deal contributes to their paycheck, fostering trust and providing powerful motivation. By making commissions clear, accurate, and real-time, Spiff helps companies incentivize the right behaviors, retain top talent, and ultimately accelerate sales growth by keeping the focus on selling.